This ancient fruit of India is ideal for women. Look why. Amla, also known as amalaki in Sanskrit, is a popular fruit from India and commonly used in Ayurveda, traditional Indian medicine, for thousands of years. The translation of the name Amla is acidic, but the deeper meaning in translation is immortality because of its amazing curative attributes. The Amla helps to regulate the menstrual cycle and your reproductive health, relieves menstrual cramps and promotes weight loss. It also contributes to optimal digestion and regulates the metabolism, which leads to Ojas, balanced energy vita. In addition, its high content in vitamin C increases the brightness of your hair and your eyes. This fruit can be consumed whole, in shakes or powder mixed with warm water. According to Ayurveda, a woman's health is directly linked to her menstrual cycles. A regular menstrual cycle is not only good for conception and pregnancy. The process of detoxification caused by Amla's consumption makes the woman feel connected to the land, her femininity and the depths of herself. Unfortunately, for Western women, menstruation is seen as an obstacle to everyday activities. Why should women consume Amla? Promotes strength and immunity to diseases. It is one of the largest sources of vitamin C and other important minerals. It regulates the urinary tract, since it is a natural diuretic. It promotes cellular regeneration, helps to improve menstrual cramps. It improves the mood, promotes irregular bowel movement, helps combat constipation. It creates balance in mind and body, helps weight loss and reduces bloating. Detoxifies deeply the tissues of the body. Although it is a fruit of India, you can get it. Do it and you will quickly notice the benefits. There is nothing better than physical and mental balance.